Today we are doing a small upgrade for this anti-tamper kit because some owners watched my video on the installation video on YouTube. They sent me messages, said they think the 3 knocks, like 1, 2, 3, the alarm, the horns and the flash will go off from the 4th knocks. They think, well, it's kind of late, or maybe the response is not so quick, so fast, because the thieves maybe already did something. They want a faster action or faster activity or faster trigger. So I did a small upgrade. It's quite simple and easy. In the installation video, I already show you to remove this cover. When you remove this cover, in the installation video, I show you how to, because before the installation, the switch of number 3, it's up, it's upside, and then you use this thing to make it down. From this time, you see the switch of number 1 is down, but you can push it up like this. You push it up. What will happen? What will happen? So the up means 1 knock. The horns and flash will be activated after 1 knock, just like this, 1 knock. And if the switch, the number 1 switch is going down, there'll be 3 knocks. But we installed this control module on both cars, on driver side and the passenger side. You have 4 combinations, 4 choices, like both door on 3 knocks, and one door, the passenger side door in 1 knock, this is 3 knock, or the passenger side door 3 knock, the driver door 1 knock, or both door in 1 knock. So you have 4 combinations. In my personal opinion, I do not like both door on 1 knock, because they will give you a more false alarm, which is very annoying, like the rubbish truck, rubbish collection truck, or the sounder, the sounder, or lighting on sounder, or when you're parking in the shopping center, the car park beside you. When they open the door, they boom, they punch your door. They will trigger alarm, which is annoying, and so I would suggest you to put both 3 knocks or 1 knock in 1 door. The other door, they keep 3 knocks. So it's totally up to you. I think maybe in the high risk area, maybe put a 1 knock and 3 knock, or even both 1 knocks. But if you think your area is a little bit safe, you can put both in 3 knocks. There's another thing you need to consider. So if you put a 1 knock, you maybe adjust this sensitivity to lower, but do not too low to disable this alarm. Do not too low to disable this alarm. To adjust, I cannot say as low as possible, but it's low sensitivity, to give you less opportunity to get a false alarm, but do not make it too low to disable the sensor. So you see that's the point to disable sensor. If you make it lower, they will disable the sensor. So maybe like this, a little bit higher. But if you send 3 knocks, you maybe adjust the sensitivity a little bit higher, because you have more tolerance. You have 3 knocks, so So that's one thing you need to pay attention. Another benefit, additional benefit, is that for some safes, they don't cut a hole on the door to unlock the car. They think it's maybe too slow, or maybe too high technology. They don't have patience to do that, so they just smash the window. So, but when they smash the window, there's a chance to activate the factory glass alarm. But sometimes, I don't know why, the factory glass alarm does not activate it. The safes can smash the window safely. But if you put this to one knock, so we will give additional safety, because when they smash the window, that big impact to the car. The sensor maybe pick up that impact. If you set up in one knock, they will trigger the horn and flashes. But the 3 knocks will still able to give you the additional safety, because when they smash the window, there's a first impact, but there's another. The safe maybe 60 kilograms or 70 or 80 kilograms. They go inside the car through the window. They have to jump inside the window. Then they have to give another vibration to the car. So there's a still chance. If you set up 3 knocks, there's still a chance to activate the horn and flashes if they smash window and go inside the car. But 1 knock will have a higher chance, higher possibility to be activated when they smash the window. But the 3 knocks, they still have a chance to be activated. So that's the additional benefit. So thank you. Bye.